Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create depth blur for portrait photography. Open your portrait photo in Photoshop, duplicate the image layer, go to the filter and select blur. Increase blur amount gradually, press OK. Now add layer masks. Also select the brush tool, use black colors on the mask. Paint over face and main subject, keep background blurred. Zoom in near hair and shoulders. Reduce brush opacity for smooth blend. Check transitions areas carefully. Adjust blur strength if needed. Portrait looks DSLR like depth effect complete is in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.